Just some of the items I'll be using today. Sponsored by Camp Made. Check out the link down below if you're interested in some Camp Made cookware. Some products, they're mighty awesome. And might I say, I'm going to be using my extra lid lifter today, lid holder. Thank you Camp Made, and thank you Bill Goudy. Alright everybody, well, what we're going to do today, we're going to do an old time favorite around here on the corner. I think I've done this twice already. I'll put my link to all my cast iron cooking and you can see the other two. One of them's got quite a few views in it. But today what we're going to do is, we're going to do some blackberry cobbler. This is going to be one of the easiest kind you've ever made. We're going to use any cake mix, doesn't matter. Any of these brands I'm showing today, I'm not affiliated with. And I bought all this with my own money. They didn't send it to me. If they want to sponsor me, that'd be great. But if they don't, that's okay too. But Doritos, we're going to use Doritos. You can use any soda pop, any cake mix, any of your fruit mix you want. You can make this a peach. But I went out and got some fresh blackberries. Picked them by myself. That's why I got all these marks all over my hands. But before we get started, thank you Carolina Chris for this Texas Peach cup. I love it. And my koozie. And of course I've got a ice cold Bush Light. Because I am on low carb. Now this is not low carb. No, it's not. Oh no. Let's get the amber fluid going because I've earned this one. I worked all night long. Oh, look at that. Look at the goodness. That's for you, Aron. Aron Nelson. Let's get this party started. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of video here and let you see where I went and picked these berries myself. I think it puts an extra twist on it. Makes it a little more authentic, doesn't it? Hand-picked, fresh. Don't get no better than that. Now check this out. That's what we're after right here. Them big juicy ones. These ain't big as they are out in California, but they are good. They're good for you. They just ain't low carb. Oh yeah, I think I got enough. Go Gators. Hey y'all, guess what time it is? It's Wednesday, Cast Iron Wednesday. Oh yeah. We're having a Dutch oven collaboration with Strong's Adventure in Papa, Texas. We're doing Dutch oven dessert in a box on Wednesday, Cast Iron Wednesday. Okay guys, we've already got the charcoal going. So the first thing we got to do is put our cake mix in here. The second thing we got to do is put in our drink. Today we're using Doritos. And since this bottle is one of them kind you can't just twist off, I'm going to use my Camp Made Cook Set spatula, which comes with a handy dandy bottle opener. Check that out. Here we go. This stuff smells so good. And it being cherry like this flavor, this fruit punch flavor, is going to add to the flavor of the cobbler. It's going to make it oh so good. Just keep stirring until it's consistent. Okay, y'all, all we got to do to construct this is get out our pie filling, which is blackberry. And this stuff is not cheap, but it's going to give us that extra push over the edge. I think it's going to win this collaboration. I'm eager to find out what Papa, Texas, and Strong's Adventure is going to come up with. All right, once we put this in here, I'm going to go ahead and put my fresh blackberries. Now, guys, that looks awesome. And then you want to put in your cake mix, which already been pre-mixed. Just pour it all over. I'll save the bowl to lick later. And then what I'm going to do to give it that extra punch is a few pats of butter. She's ready to go on the fire. I hope this turns out all right, don't y'all? Y'all wish me luck. All right, guys, time to put the lid on it. It's just that easy. Love this lid lifter. Thank you, Camp Made. Thank you, Bill Goudy. Gotta get a drink. And thank you, Texas Pete. And thank you, Papa Texas and Strong's Adventure, because they got in touch with me and wanted to do this collaboration. Y'all really need to go over and check their channel out. All right, let's get some coals and put them in here. Safety first. I'm not measuring out how many coals. I'm just filling it up. I love this Camp Made cook set. It's so awesome. Now, just pour on the rest of the coals. Hey guys, just want to let y'all know, we'll be rotating the lid a quarter turn this way, and the Dutch will be going the other way. That keeps us from having some hot spots on here. Most of y'all know to do that, but just thought I'd throw that in here. It's one of the little tips of the day. And if you're a Scoutmaster, and I know a lot of y'all are, drop me a comment down below if you ever cooked something like this for your Scouts. I'm sure they'd be interested in having some of that, and at least trying it. And yeah, try it with them. Tell them old Calvin's Corner 72 sent you with that recipe right there. I will have the recipe down below in the description, so if y'all are interested in it, click on it, check it out. That's right, it's got a shotgun shell right there on top. Check it out. Isn't that cool, guys? Camp Made camo hat with a shotgun shell, and look what's underneath it. Holy moly, it's a bottle opener, guys. Get over and get you one of these hats. You gotta get one. Tell them Calvin's Corner 72 sent you, and Bill Goudy. Thank you, Texas Pete, for the goodness. I love this cup. It's so awesome. How about a sneak peek? Holy, look at the goodness. Oh my gosh. Boys and girls, I really enjoy doing these videos. Having a good old cold drink, sitting there on my swing, enjoying the sounds of outdoors. Man, you can't beat it. Waiting on that good old Dutch oven to do the work. Sure is good. Guys, I just wanted to give a big salute to everybody out there come and watch my channel today, and tell y'all to have a safe and happy 4th of July. Alright guys, let's set her down here. Holy moly, that looks awesome. Let's get into this. I can't wait no longer. It's driving me crazy. I just posted on Instagram some sneak peeks of this. Some of y'all may have seen it. My Instagram link is down below as well. Y'all check it out. Oh man, I don't know where to start. It smells so good. Holy moly. The cake is done. Oh, guys, this looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. Check that out. I know it's not low carb, but I've got to do it. It's all in the name of the game. When you're in a collaboration, you got to do it. Hey, whether it's low carb or not, it's legal. So y'all keep tagging me in all these good things. When you do, I'm gonna do them. I won't eat this whole bowl, maybe half of it. All right, let's check it out. I hadn't smelt sugar in so long. Oh, that's gotta be them fresh. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Can you see it? Look at the goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Good bread, good meat, good God. Let's eat. Note to self, that's pretty hot. Whew. I didn't let that cool off good yet. Look at that. Y'all got to try this. This is amazing. I appreciate y'all coming by and checking me out today, watching me do my Dutch oven cooking. It's great, it's awesome, I love it. If I just had somebody here to do some taste testing for me and with me, then I could do official taste. What? Hi. There's my son right there. You want to try this out for me?
I smelled it from all the way inside.
He smelled it from in the house. Right. Sit out here and try this out. Now, Bones Yard, he's always giving me down the road because I don't ever do official taste test. It's always just me saying it's good. So now, here we are.
Oh my God, this is hot.
Is that like, could you sell that? Or
yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
Yeah, that's really good.
So really, it's really good.
Yeah, that's actually really good.
Wow. So, Dutch oven cobbler, guys. Get out there and check it out and do it. Get on back over here. Well, happiness is always just around the corner. Go check out Papa Texas. his link, I won't have their video link down below. I'll have their channel link. It should be their newest video because today is Wednesday, Cast Iron Wednesday. Check it out. Go to Strong's Adventure. Check his video out. It's going to be pretty awesome. See what they come up with. Hey, just wanted to add in here. If you're interested in Camp Made, I will have Camp Made link down below. All you got to do, tell everybody. Just click that link, use that link, go to Camp Made site, put in Goudy 20 when it pops up and asks you for a code. Use that Goudy 20 promo code. I'll have it all down in that box below. And you get 20% off. Sometimes they even run free shipping. Oh man, how awesome would that be? That would make your 4th of July. That's right. Y'all get on back over here where happiness is always just around the corner. Hope y'all enjoyed this video today. I really appreciate it.